Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 7th basic concepts part 1. What you're going to learn from this video, students? A little basic concepts I'm going to clear. We are going to start with test of divisibility. Today I'm going to teach you test of divisibility for 2 and 3, and likewise we are going to learn this step by step about test of divisibility of most of the numbers, one digit numbers. Okay, now it will be very easy for you to decide whether the given 2 digit, 3 digit or more than that digit numbers are divisible by 2 or any other numbers which I'm going to teach you. Okay, just watching them you can decide, you can tell actually that whether the number is divisible by or not. So what we are waiting for, let us begin. So let us begin with basic concepts of maths, beginning with test of divisibility by 2 or for 2. Now, if you want to check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not, the condition is this, that the digit at one's place must be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. There must be any one number from these 5 digits where at one's place. Now let us see this with one example. Here is your example 1 where the number is 28. 8 is in the place of ones and 2 is in the place of tens. We are not going to look at tens digit. We are going to look only the digit which is present at the ones place. From 0 to 4, 6, 8, any one must be there. So here it is 28 and the last digit is 8. So this 28 is divisible by 2. You can directly say yes, it is divisible without doing the actual calculation. Now we want to check whether it is divisible or not. Let us see. When we divide 28 by 2, 2 ones are 2, we did the minus and here comes the 0. Now down comes 8. 2 fours are 8. So here it is 0. When the when the remainder is 0, we can say that the division is completed and the whole number of the quotient is your answer. So when 28 is been divided by 2, the answer is 14. And yes, the division is completed. How you will come to know this? By the remainder 0. Now let us check for the next example, which is 177. Here 1 is at the hundreds place, 7 is at tens place and another 7 is at ones place. So ones place is having the digit 7. What is the condition for the test of divisibility for 2? That the digit at one's place must be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. But here it is 7. It is not from the given even numbers. So what we can say? That this number is not divisible by 2. So how we can prove it? Let us do the division actually. 177 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. We did the minus and the answer remainder is 1. From 17 if you deduct 16 it is 1. Now let us take 7 down. 2 8s are 16. We did the minus and the remainder is 1. As you can see, the remainder is 1. If the remainder comes 0, then we can say that the division is completed. But if you get some of the digit in the remainder, then it is sure that the given number is not completely divisible by 2. For the number to get completely divisible by 2, the last number, that is the digit at one's place, must be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. As you can see, this was not from the given digit. So, the division was not complete. 1 is in the remainder. I hope student you understood. Now, let us move on to the next question. Here the given number is 2174. 2 is at the thousands place, 1 is at hundreds place, 7 is at tens place, and 4 is at units place, that is ones place. Now let us see whether this is divisible or not. The last number must be even, that it must be either from 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, and as we can say 4 is here. So this number will be completely divisible by 2. We can say directly. You want to prove? So let us divide and see. 2, 1, 7, 4. 2 ones are 2. We did minus. Answer is 0. The turn of 1 to come down. Now as you can see here, the divisor is greater than the dividend. Not possible. How can we divide 2 ones also? If we are going to take, it will be more than 1. So you want to take the second digit also down. To take the second digit down, you have to give 1 0 up. So when you give 1 0 up at the quotients place, you can take 2 numbers at a time down. Now it is 17. So 2 8s are 16. After doing the subtraction, 1 will be left. Now it is turn of 4 to come down. So it is 14. 2 7s are 14. After minus, we have the remainder 0. So students, you can see that the division is completed when we get 0 in our remainder. So the test of divisibility is easy for 2, right? That if the ones place is having either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then any given number of 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit or more than these digits will be divisible by 2 or not. It is very easy for you to just observe the digits and decide whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Now let us go for the next test of divisibility for 3. The test of divisibility for 3 asks for what? The sum of the given digit must be divisible by 3. That means we have to do the addition of the given digits. So let us start with the example 27. Now we can see that 2 plus 7, as we want to do the sum. Sum means addition. You add the given digits. Answer is 9. As you can see, we can divide 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. It's completely divisible. We got the remainder 0. So this 27 will also be easily divisible. Now let us check for 27. 3 9s are 27. Now it is very easy for 2 digits number. Okay, well, let us see for the 3 digits number. See, you can see 612 whether this is divisible or not. We don't know whether we are going to get the remainder 0 or not, whether the division will get completed or not. For that, you have to add the given digits. 6 plus 1 plus 2 will give you 9. We have seen earlier 9 is divisible by 3. So let us check whether 612 is also divisible or not by 3. 3 2s are 6. We did the minus. We got 0. Turn of 1 to come down. 1 is smaller than the divisor. And I want to take the second number also down. If you want to take 2 numbers at a time down, you have to give 1 0 in the quotient. Now it is 12. 3 4s are 12. Minus 0 0. You could see the division is completed. So 6 1 2 After adding also we come to know that 9 is divisible by 3. So definitely 612 will also be divisible by 3. And we had proved it by doing the actual division. Now look at this number. Whether this is divisible by 3 or not. Let us check. By adding the digits. 7 plus 9 plus 2. 7 plus 9, 16 plus 2, 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? Yes, 3 6 are 18. That means 792 will also be divisible by 3. We can directly say without doing the actual division. Right? You want to do the division? Check it. With confident. 7, 9, 2. So for 7, 3 2s are 6. We got 1 down. Now take 9 down. 3 6 are 18. Now 1 left. Take 2 down. 3 4s are 12. Minus and got 0 0. Yes, 792 was exactly divisible, completely divisible by 3. So just looking at the digits, what is the shortcut you are going to remember in this? The shortcut is you have to add all the digits. After adding whatever answer you get, if that answer is divisible in 3, then you make sure it is 100% that the given number is also divisible by 3. I hope student you understood. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope you have understood the test of divisibility of 2 and 3 clearly, and I hope the PDF which I am going to send you after just below this video, you are going to get the PDF also for working it out. So after understanding well, watching this video, right, you are going to solve that 2 pages in your assignment notebook. Okay students, so all the best, do it well. For one thing I want to make it clear that the MCQ which I have given you in the PDF, the MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, are having A, B, C, D options. Students, in that not only one answer is correct. From A, B, C, D, you are going to make a choice that how many are possible. It is not like that 3 answers are wrong and 1 is right. No. There will be more questions right. Okay, so just mind well, this is not the MCQ which you are going to get only one answer right. You may get 2 or 3 right. So for that you are going to answer A, answer B, answer C, answer D, like that. Okay, there are 4 questions in the form of multiple choice question. Understood student? So better solve it properly. Okay students, so all the best. Thank you once again for watching the video. We are going to meet soon. Bye.